Hey, listen up. All of y'all, listen up. See, I really want to speak to your mind. I want to speak to your mind, your soul. I talk sense into you. Because all of y'all, boy and girl of nowadays, this mentality that always come in your mind make you think that because you're a fraudster, that make you a star. Uh-uh. Olo, you heard a head that say music star, porn star, music star. So because you were fraudster, you think that all the stars are just star. No, no. You don't need any further ladies and gentlemen to tell you. You need your fellow born girl to tell you that you know star. You know star like that. Because you are public occupants. You live in a lot of public yard. You live in this public yard to another public yard because you enter public transport every time, because you always want to eat in the public places, do a lot of things in the public places, because your public toilet as a go, everyone come jump go, everyone come suck go. You think you are public figure. No, you not public figure. We in the streets, we in the business. Nigga, what the hell you know about the street? You inside room sucking some boo 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 boo. You in the room trying to make a goal for you, right? You in the room trying to satisfy a goal. You in the room trying to satisfy a woman. You come tell me you a street talk. You a street boy. Nigga, you know street talk, baby. You don't know what the fuck it takes to be a street talk. Out of you in a gold class, baby. We in the business. We in the streets. We treat the streets. We bless the streets. We favor people in the streets. We raise stars from the streets. That's what we do for a living, baby. I don't want to listen to you all come out next time and tell me you were a public figure. No, you were a public toilet. I don't want to come see you next time tell me you were a superstar. No, you were a fraud star. Don't tell me that shit next time. You know what? How did you in gold class? We in the business, baby. We in the business. We mean with the greater business to make you feel good, to make you know that just not being ordinary attitude, you need gold class. AU gold class is too expensive. Motherfucker product in the whole wide world, baby. For that reason, I appreciate what God gave you. Appreciate the gift of God in your life to see this month. Appreciate the gift of God in your life for 2022, baby. Welcome you into 2022. It's my new year, baby. It's my new year, baby. Welcome all of y'all, baby. I welcome all of y'all. I welcome all of y'all to this new year, baby. I welcome all of y'all for this new year, baby. But in case you don't know, it's Royal Highness King Chef Agugbaloa. Is indeed one of United Arab Emirates. Obanjena Wego. Mwana Moloha, one of Enugu State. Agunelisi Efini Nenonankele Fini Boland, baby. All of you already know OLAEDO is speaking, baby. When I speak, everyone listening.